Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Swagata Dev. If any of you are new here, I make a lot of videos on shorts, on reels. But I also love making long format YouTube videos like this, जो कि मैंने बनाना बहुत कम कर दिया है because not all of you watch it. And उसको edit करने में बहुत time लगता है यार. Like it takes a lot of effort to edit long format videos. So today I have given up everything and I have decided that I'm gonna do a one cut video so that I don't have to struggle while sitting down and editing it. And as well as we can, did I say as well as? I did. As well as we can spend a lot of authentic real time together, okay? So today we're talking about those products which have been viral on Instagram this year. I've seen a lot. You know, if you see shorts, if you follow influencers, you've seen these products. कुछ तो मैंने खुद भी paid videos, unpaid videos किए हुए हैं उसके. पेड तो आते नहीं है वैसे. ब्रांड्स दे देना थोड़ा सा दिख जाए तो थोड़ा याद कर लेना मुझे जब तुम लोग नए नए प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च करवा रहे होते हो. एक तो मेरी नाक भर रही है आज. सो टुडे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दोज प्रोडक्ट्स एंड जल्दी करेंगे बिकॉज आई थिंक थोड़े वैसे सब प्रोडक्ट्स तो नहीं है मेरे पास बट फिर भी जल्दी करने की कोशिश करेंगे. स्टार्टिंग विद द मोस्ट लेटेस्ट रिसेंट लॉन्च. गेस व्हाट इट इज? पकड़ा हुआ है, दिख ही रहा है इधर से. इट्स द मेबेलिन सुपर स्टे फ्लेक्स पाउडर. इसका मैंने एक पेड वीडियो ऑलरेडी बनाया है बट even as an unpaid product, let me tell you this is for rupees something around 800 का तो आता है ये. Exactly 800 का आता है. This is the Super Stay 30 Hour Flex Powder Foundation. ठीक है, this is what the product looks like. इसके नीचे आपको ये स्पंज और मिरर भी मिल जाता है. 8 शेड्स में आते हैं ये प्रोडक्ट. इट इज एक्सट्रीमली हाई कवरेज. तो मतलब टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई एम वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड विद द प्रोडक्ट. एंड जैसे कि सुपर स्टे या फिर कोई भी मैट फाउंडेशंस जो आप लगाते हो तो इधर उधर क्रैक मारती है, इस प्रोडक्ट की खासियत ये है कि समथिंग दे हैव डन विद द फॉर्मूला कि इट क्रैक्स लेस. सो आई रियली अप्रिशिएट इट. प्लस कितना डीवी करेंगे, कितना डीवी करना है, थोड़ा सा अगर मैटी भी करना है तो दिस एक्चुअली वर्क्स वेरी नाइसली. लाइक आई हैव लव्ड इट व्हेन आई यूज्ड इट. बहुत लंबे समय तक रही है, मुझे बहुत मजा आया. ओनली थिंग इज दैट बस 8 शेड्स है यार. 8 तुम इंडियन स्किन टोन के लिए 8 थोड़े ज्यादा लॉन्च कर दो. मुझे तो थैंकफुली अपना टोन मिल गया हुआ था. माई स्किन टोन इज बेसिकली द थर्ड लास्ट शेड ऑफ दिस रेंज. आई मीन आई एम श्योर मेरे से भी बहुत डीपर स्किन टोन्स के लोग होंगे. सो या दैट्स दैट. बट फॉर्मूला वाइज आई रियली डू लाइक इट. एक चीज मैं जस्ट बताना चाहूंगी इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में कि व्हेन यू टेक इट एंड यू डैब इट एंड देन यू ड्रैग इट, वेस्ट. You have to kind of dab this product. It's a foundation, so you basically dab it. मुझे इसको यूज करने का सबसे बेहतर लगता है when I take like this fluffy brush, ऐसे करके फटाक से ऐसे dab मार के इतना जल्दी. It works super fast. Okay, I'm spending way too much time behind one product. Now the next product, I think this has been going viral since the last year itself. The Be Body Wise 4% AHA BHA Underarm Roll-On. अच्छी प्रोडक्ट है गाइस, अच्छी है. आई मीन इसको खोलो, ऐसे रोल है, इसको लगाओ एंड इट इज सो वायरल कि मैंने ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स, आई थिंक आई हैव सीन देम, ऑल ऑफ देम यूज दिस एंड इट वर्क्स. दैट्स वाई पीपल यूज इट. ऐसा नहीं है कि बस बेकार की वायरल हो रखी है, दैट्स वाई पीपल यूज इट. इट हैज एक्सफोलिएंट्स 4% AHA BHA and it keeps underarm stink away for a whole day, bro. And I can tell. मुझे पता चलता है. So मैं वैसे भी पानी कम पीती हूँ, so this is very important for me. Okay, the next thing we have here is the Maybelline Kiss Blush. ठीक है. By the way, ये वीडियो में कुछ भी किसी ने पैसे वैसे नहीं दिए हैं मुझे, ठीक है. I know कि 2-3 Maybelline प्रोडक्ट्स आ जाएंगे. Maybelline ने इस साल धड़ाधड़ प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च किए हैं. Anyway, so ये जो किस ब्लश थी उनकी हॉट पिंक समर में मेरे पास है एंड आई हैव टू टेल यू आई डिड लाइक द प्रोडक्ट. ठीक है, इसको थोड़ा सा यूज करने पे ये काफी ज्यादा पिगमेंट तो देती है, विच आई अग्री. वन थिंग इज दैट ड्राई थोड़ी सी जल्दी हो जाती है. सो एज सून एज यू अप्लाई यू काइंड ऑफ हैव टू ब्लेंड इट आउट बिकॉज इट डज ड्राई डाउन quite fast, but it stays for quite some time. I mean यार देखो, brands तो they will tell you only कि 30 hours 40 hours. नहीं ज़रूरत है, तुम 40 घंटे तुमने कौन सी मेकअप लगा के रखे, none of us do that. So even like as much as it can extend, if it extends, it's good enough. So this one does, and I like that about it. All right, the next thing we have here is the Rene Midnight Kajal. Guys, I don't know, आज तो मैं तारीफें ही कर रही हूँ. रुको, नेक्स्ट वाली प्रोडक्ट के बारे में मेरे पास टी है, ठीक है, टी है मेरे पास. दिस वन इज द Rene Midnight Kajal and it कैन आई टेल यू माई दुखड़ा. मैं तुमको दुखड़ा सुनाऊँ अपना. पहले इसका कैंपेन आया था मेरे पास, ठीक है, एंड ये मेरे को कैंपेन के चक्कर में ही आया था. बट दैट टाइम आई वॉज सफरिंग फ्रॉम अ रियली बैड मेंटल हेल्थ एरा एंड आई जस्ट कुडंट कंप्लीट माई वर्क. लाइक आई हैड टोल्ड दैट मैं ये करूँगी इसका काम, बट मेरे से ना नहीं हो पाया था उस टाइम पे. एंड लेटर व्हेन इट गॉट वेरी वायरल फॉर बीइंग प्रोडक्ट जो कि समझ नहीं होता, बज नहीं होता, स्पेशली फॉर जेट ब्लैक काजल्स, पीपल रियली नीड थिंग्स टू नॉट स्मज एंड बज. सो ये नहीं होता. एंड व्हेन आई सॉ पीपल्स रील्स लेटर आफ्टर द कैंपेन वाज डन विद एंड ऑल, आई रियलाइज दैट आई मिस्ड आउट ऑन वर्किंग फॉर अ रियली गुड प्रोडक्ट. सो मैंने इसके लिए बाद में एडिशनल से अपने साइड से ऑर्गेनिक कंटेंट डाल रखी है. एंड truly I even water tested this. It does not go bro. Like water test मतलब क्या, हाँ अगर आप पानी लगा के घिसते रहो फिर तो जाएगा ही, थोड़ा उठेगा, but as much as it can hold, it does. It's jet black, you rub it, nothing happens. This is really a no budge kajal. Rene, if you want to get in touch with me one more time, please do so. Next thing we have here, very freaking controversial guys. Now before I say this, I just want to tell you that not necessarily कि your and my opinions have to match. Okay, you must have loved some product, I might not have liked it at all. होता है यार, लोगों के opinions, in fact लोगों की skin type सब अलग होता है. So please don't mind me, okay? This right here, are you guys gonna beat me for it? Listen, it's from Huda Beauty. I love Huda Beauty in general. Huda, मैं clarification पहले देती हूँ. I love Huda Beauty products. Okay, bunch of Huda Beauty products, beautiful. Nothing beats it. 4,000 रुपये फाउंडेशन के लेने हैं, ले लो. तुमको 5,000 रुपये पैलेट के लेने हैं, ले लो, क्योंकि they are freaking good. But bro, this I did not like. Okay, 2,500 rupees for a sketch lip liner, and I think just one time मैंने यूज़ किया. उसके बाद मैंने इसको गलती से थोड़े ग्लॉस के साइड में यूज़ कर दिया था. इसका पेन जैम हो गया, उसके बाद से ये बेकार का पड़ा हुआ है. It's just there and it just doesn't work. And right now I have a satin lipstick. Okay, right now I have a satin lipstick, so if I apply this right now, it's gonna get jammed. It's never gonna work again. I know that there are products that are supposed to be used in a certain way, and if you don't use them in that way, like, it makes sense. It's a sketch, and if I wear it on top, if I try to put it on top of a gloss, I am dumb. I get that, but I mean 2,500 for a lip liner. Wouldn't you want it to kind of do a little more? Wouldn't you want it to kind of extend through the horizons a little bit? So yeah, I mean, as nice as it is, if you are somebody who doesn't like glosses and all, I am in my gloss era, so I don't think this has worked for me. Completely disagree with me. I don't mind that. Please write it down in the comments below. By the way guys, before we continue further, if you have liked it till here, if you like the yapping session, please make sure to press on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that we can do more of this. I'm really enjoying the fact that मैं बैठ के धराधर बात कर रही हूँ आज. I'm not taking too much stress. I know that I'm not going to sit and edit this video because I just want to keep it real, and I know people don't watch long format videos anymore. तुम लोग बोर हो जाते हो, पर बनाने में तो यही मजा आता है क्योंकि डिटेल में जाता है चीज. Like I can actually tell you about the fact, not just the good things. यार नाक पोंछ ली थी, रुको. I can just tell you not just about the product, the quality, the prices, but also the after effects and the after, like, post use of the product. Now one of the most viral products of this year has been the K Beauty cushion foundation basically. This I'm in the shade 165N deep. इसमें शायद 12 shades थे if I remember correctly. The product quantity is really nice. Something मुझे exact quantity याद नहीं है, but the packaging, the quantity is really nice, and it is less expensive than the Tirtir cushion coverage foundation by a few hundred rupees. That's it, not way too much also. So this product, quality wise, good product. Like you apply it and it's matte. Like for a cushion foundation to be matte to satin, actually बोला गया है कि ये matte है, but when you apply it you realize that it's not exactly matte, it's like satin to matte. I don't know why they have claimed it to be matte. I mean, even the satin finish was like quite beautiful. I'm not complaining. It looks beautiful. When you apply it, it applies beautifully. The only problem with the product is how badly it oxidizes, bro. I love Katrina Kaif. Who doesn't like that? I don't think that woman has a hater, okay? Even though she's married to my only crush in life. But I still love her, okay? मेरा crush है, उसकी बीवी वैसी होगी, you know what I mean? He's married to Katrina Kaif, bro. It makes sense. Anyway, भटक चुकी हूँ मैं, fully भटक चुकी हूँ. What I was saying is I love Katrina Kaif. So please, cat, do something and make this not oxidize as much as it does. Because one day I wore it and this is so much my skin tone. Right now I'll apply it and I'll show it to you. It's exactly my skin tone. But when I came back at night, like how many hours? 8 hours I wore it. I came back, I was looking at least 3 shades darker than the shade this. At 3 shades, I'm not even kidding. It oxidizes a lot. But the formula, like when you apply it, beautiful. Product is the last Maybelline product. The Bubble Mascara. The Colossal Bubble Mascara. It works. When it comes to mascaras, Maybelline kills it. We know that. पहले से यार Colossal निकाले जा रहे ये वो. I think apart from this one brand called Essence mascaras, if you guys remember. Oh, so good. So good. Like Maybelline also is one of the brands that kind of does well when it comes to mascaras. So this works, but also at the same time it's not revolutionary, okay? Like एक called Panorama L'Oreal का Panorama है एक. And I have a feeling that Maybelline and L'Oreal manufacturing units are same. Some कुछ तो है मुझे. I'm not trying to claim anything, but probably it is because this formula and this formula feels quite familiar. However, yes, this is very volumizing. But bro, this is also one of my favorite mascaras. Panorama mascara by L'Oreal has a great effect, okay? But this also does work. It's very volumizing. But one thing only I feel, if you try to keep like reapplying this product, अगर तुम 2 की जगह 3 कोट कर लिए ना, तो it starts to clump your eyelashes. It has happened with me. I don't know whether or not it has happened with you, but yeah, that's that. But the product really does work. I love the bristles on this. The packaging color is beautiful. It's not too expensive. You know, this is the kind of mascara that even college students can kind of carry. It's because it has such a cute packaging. It really does make sense also for the younger generation to kind of like use stuff like this. I can see it being in a college kid's bag. The last thing that we have here is the L'Oreal Infallible. L'Oreal Paris Infallible lipsticks. These are for 999 rupees, and this is the formula. It is the most glossy lipstick in this packaging that L'Oreal has yet now launched, I suppose. And I have complaints with this. That's all I'm gonna say. See, first of all, this is worth it. Deep tone. This is not even the actual worth it. This is the worth it medium, I suppose. And even that is very light on my skin tone. They don't have, I didn't see even one real shade that was, you know, you could say that would be great for deeper dusky complexions, apart from reds. Like, are reds the only lipsticks that we are supposed to put? Why don't you make pinks which are, you know, grayish in tones, so that deeper complexion people, which is most population of India, can wear it? Why are the lipsticks either made for fair tones, or, I mean, this is my personal complaint, but also at the same time, yes, it is a very shiny formula. It is one of those this kind of formula से ऐसे करोगे ना तो वो mixture होके फिर निकलेगा. Very shiny, very beautiful to look at. ठीक है? But here is the thing that I feel Maybelline के Vinyl Ink Liquid Lipsticks, which, dude, yes, I got it. Maybelline Vinyl Ink Liquid Lipsticks. Can you hear that? L'Oreal new lipsticks. I have this, and this is also that shiny same formula, and this is also very long lasting. So you know what I mean to say, इसके तो एटलीस्ट चलो इसमें एक शेड था विटी करके, which looked beautiful on deeper skin tones, like beautiful, but इसमें मेरे को शेड भी नहीं दिखा. So I don't know, I'm not really very impressed by this new launch. All we are supposed to do as deeper complexion people that keep complaining about shade range of brands, मतलब अच्छे भी लग गए, ये फॉर्मूला अच्छा भी है, ऐसा नहीं है कि फॉर्मूला खराब है, फॉर्मूला इज नाइस, फॉर्मूला इज गुड actually. I used to love the Vinil Ink liquid lipstick, you guys know about it. I've spoken about it hundreds of times, but yeah, it's the same. So yeah, that's about it. और कुछ नहीं है मेरे पास as of today. I don't have anything else. So yeah, I think that was that. और भी बहुत सारी इधर उधर की चीज़ें हैं actually, but now I want you to tell me which product should we tap and which product should we talk about next, because I have loved sitting down here and just blabbering about all these products and just connecting with you, talking to you, because I keep playing with these products all the time, bro, and it's been good to finally come out of, you know, shorts format and just sit here and blabber. This is relief for me. So if you guys enjoyed this, please drop down more comments and give me more ideas. What do you want to see next? ठीक है? And I will see you guys in the next video. And oh, by the way, give me more product recommendations as well, okay? Also, I always make videos on lipsticks for deeper dusky complexion. So if you have suggestions on those, कोई भी suggestion हो, drop. I will see you guys in the next video very soon. Thank you so much for joining in.